So as you can see, this table saw surface here, the cast iron is extremely rusted, and that's something that we need to take care of. So the products that I found that have worked the best in the past are 3M scour pads along with my 3M sandpaper, and no, this isn't sponsored by 3M, WD-40, some glide coat for after, some blade coat for after, and then T9 Bow Shield. Alright, so these are the products I like to use. Now let's get in and let's use them. I've seen some other videos online where people clean it off, and one of them, the guy was using water as the lubricant, and I don't know why you do that. Water was the cause of this. Why do I want to introduce more? Alright, so my recommendation is don't use water, but when it comes down to it, it's your table saw, do what you want. Let's see how the table responds to light cleaning with a fine or light finishing pad by 3M with some WD-40 as a lubricant for that pad. Let's see what happens. If that doesn't work, then what we need to do is we need to get a little bit more aggressive, and that's where we can go into the sandpaper and to a palm sander. Well, let's see. Okay, now it's some WD-40. Let's light it up. Alright, so a light Scotch-Brite pad. As you can see, we're cutting through the light rust. But we're by no means winning the war here. Alright, so now we know we gotta step it up a little bit. And this is a heavy duty stripping pad. Once again, some more WD-40. And with the grain. So I've taken the cleaning process about as far as it's going to go. Yes, there are a few stains in the cast iron still, but I'm not going to be able to get those out. It's still a smooth surface on top of it, so I'm not worried about those. So I've taken the cleaning process, like I said, as far as I'm going to go with it. Now we have to protect this surface so this doesn't happen again. Alright, so one thing we want to do before we put any finish on here is give it a quick, good rub down. Make sure all the WD-40 is off. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Hey, mind if I do something real quick? Alright, cool. Thanks. I was in Lowe's the other day and happened to come across this brand, Venom Steel, and they're 2-layer heavy-duty gloves, and they work amazing. They say they're rip resistant, which usually means they rip as I'm putting them on, but these are actually rip resistant. They go on easy. They're 2 layers. They're touch screen. What's the word? Touch screen sensitive, so you can use all your touch screen devices. So they're not a sponsor or anything, but I figured, you know, I came across them. They work unbelievable. They don't rip. They're thick. So check them out. They're a little bit more expensive than the Harbor Freight, you know, specials, but they're worth it. All right. Thanks a lot. You're doing good. Keep it up. So at the end of the project here, I'm 1000% satisfied with how it came out. I think it's the rust is virtually gone. It looks amazing compared to how it looked when it came in here. I put glide coat on the table saw surface, of course, but I also put it on the fence, the miter gauge, and the blade. The main thing is I want to reduce friction. That's the main thing, and glide coat is great for that. So if you know someone who would like this video, please share it with them. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Gotta go.